Hey, it's Lauren with Lancaster Hyundai, and today I'm out enjoying this beautiful weather in this fantastic 2023 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. What adventure can you go on in your new Hyundai? I love what this hybrid Sonata has to offer. The sleek interior, all the bells and whistles that you could want, including this navigation system. A little bird told me I should check out the Three Little Birds Boutique. Let's go there now. I love to shop small and shop local. That's why I want to head and check out Three Little Birds Boutique. So many textures and fabrics, so many options here. Three Little Birds is so cool. Looking for something unique? Check out their line Joe Flower. What a unique boutique. Hop in a Hyundai and explore your local community. Come check out all the great new Hyundai models at Lancaster Hyundai.